get paid 12 months. And in some months of it, she didn't even have a portion of the rent. But before the caseworker or the Section 8 approve a tenant, they find out how many funds she have, what kind of work they have, how many kids, and they can tell you how much is your portion, how much not. It's very important, very, very important to have some preparation done. After the preparation, the tenant call and you do the showing, right? Now, when you're gonna do the showing, you have to do this: credit check, application for residency, occupancy. You have to let them fill this in. When they fill this in, I'm not always using it, by the way, but you have the rental history, income, verification, everything you have here. All right? And then some landlords require that you run the credit. I don't move normally nobody in unless I run the credit. But sometimes the association does that. So you don't have to pay yourself or a mortgage broker, or somebody else, but the association does also. So you tell the landlord that, look, I don't know credit, I didn't run it, but the association will do it if you still want to work with us and sign the lease. And many times they want to do it because they have so much vacancies. They're already happy, so they can get somebody. No, you have to have contract to lease with you. All right. So I'm meeting the tenant three times basically. When I meet them, I show them 3-4 houses, nothing more, or else they cannot choose. You know what I mean? 2, 3, 4, that's it. You meet them, they like the house, you fill in this. I tell them, I said, let's fill in the paperwork. If they're busy, so I said, okay, you can make an appointment for tomorrow, come to my office. But anyway, I'm not doing a showing unless I know the husband is there or the wife is there. You are in control of your business. You don't want to show the husband and he said, okay, I have to talk with my wife, then you have to go back there. So you meet them there, you show them the house, and you fill in this, you fill in contract to lease. Why is this? Because sometimes you don't know everything about the landlord, so this is like a binder, it is not a legally lease contract. So what I do also, I still fill in a lease contract as much as possible from the side of the tenant. Now you need a fully executed lease contract to submit to Section 8. You need it. So you don't have to come back to the tenant, to fill this again. I fill in everything one time. Why they ask me why this? Sometimes the landlord's agent don't accept this. Sometimes they have their own form. Sometimes, they don't want to commit themselves unless they have a credit check done. Those things you meet in the practical. I'm teaching you this. In the beginning, I didn't know how to work with it. Always fill this in. Fill this part in also. If it is in a condominium, you need other forms. Fill it in as much as possible. Now, here's where many people do not know how to work with the tenant. Before they come for the showing, I ask them, do you have your landlord package with you? Do you have your landlord package? Bring it with you. Bring it with you. Many times they say they don't have it. But because you are in charge of your business and you know the process, I have some of the forms. Not all. I have from Palm Beach County. You can take a look. See.
Before you show it.
Yeah, if they come with it, then they have it already with them. And then that is also something that they already will be automatically committed to you because Section 8 only gives one. You understand? So if they give this to you, they say, okay, you do the work for me. There's another.
So that's original. They cannot make photocopy.
Well, yeah, they can. You can make photocopy. However, the signatures has to be originals. You know. And this is another. This is the Palm Beach County. You see, and there's one of the page. It's already written. 2 bedroom is so much. 3 bedroom is so much. 4 bedroom is so much. So when they come with the forms, I let the tenant fill in their part as much as possible. So what is happening? Now you have all your forms with you.
Nasier, sometimes some tenant in Section 8 they think that they're approved for like 1,200, so they can rent like 2 bedrooms with 1,200. Is there a limit for every bedroom, every number of bedrooms?
No. You get so many kids. You get so many. If it's your household, you get assigned so many bedrooms, right? Let's say you get assigned 3 bedrooms for 1,200. However, you can get 4 bedrooms for 1,200. They will still approve you. You know. It depends also on the caseworker. Sometimes the caseworker, you know, don't want all to change all those things. But most of the time, for the same amount for 3 bedrooms, they will approve you also for the same amount of the rent, 4 bedrooms. They will do it. It's very interesting to work with Section 8. Now, you must have patience with those people a lot. You must have a lot of patience. You know, these people don't have a lot of funds. You know, they're not going to list everything, and you really must take charge. Otherwise, they have you dancing around. Now, when you have this done, right? You call the Section 8 the landlord's agent.